Hello, my darlings. Today, we're diving into the lush world of aloe vera, cherished for its miraculous healing properties. Picture breaking open a plump aloe leaf. The gel inside promises relief and rejuvenation. From calming sunburns to soothing digestive woes, embrace the power of aloe vera. We've all been there, darlings. A day spent blissfully basking in the sun's warmth, only to be followed by the sting of sunburn. Before you reach for those harsh chemical creams, meet your new best friend, aloe vera. The cooling gel glides on effortlessly, soothing the burn and reducing redness. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties promote healing and leave your skin soft and supple. A happy tummy makes for a happy life, wouldn't you agree? Aloe vera brings peace and tranquility to your gut. It calms inflammation, easing discomfort from heartburn, IBS, and other issues. Like a soothing balm for your belly, leaving you balanced and content. In today's world, a strong immune system is our most prized possession. Aloe vera boosts our body's defenses with its antioxidants. A daily dose of aloe vera can fortify your immune system. We all crave that radiant, clear complexion, don't we? Aloe vera can be a true savior for those battling acne and skin woes. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties combat acne-causing bacteria, reduce redness, and soothe skin. Aloe vera also helps fade acne scars, revealing a smoother, clearer complexion. Inflammation is at the root of many health concerns. But fear not, aloe vera calms the storm within. Whether it's joint pain or muscle soreness after a workout, aloe vera's touch reduces inflammation and eases discomfort. It's like a gentle massage for your aching joints and muscles. Now, darlings, if you're looking for help in your weight loss journey, aloe vera can be a supportive companion. This wonder plant is a natural detoxifier, cleansing your digestive system and improving nutrient absorption. It can boost your metabolism and promote fullness, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. A radiant smile, my dears, is the most captivating accessory. Aloe vera can help you achieve that, promoting optimal oral health. It's a natural remedy for soothing mouth sores, calming inflamed gums, and fighting bad breath. Aloe vera toothpaste and mouthwash are readily available, or you can swish with pure aloe vera juice for a refreshing smile. Let's be honest, darlings, constipation is a topic we avoid. Aloe vera can help get things moving again. This wonder plant contains natural compounds that act as a mild laxative. It's like a gentle nudge for your digestive system, restoring balance and flow. For those managing diabetes, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is crucial. Aloe vera can be a valuable ally. Studies show consuming aloe vera helps lower fasting blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. It's like a gentle hand guiding your blood sugar back into balance, promoting well-being. Who doesn't dream of luscious, healthy locks? Aloe vera works wonders, promoting shine, strength, and vitality. Use it as a mask, leave-in conditioner, or in shampoo for soft, smooth, vibrant hair. There you have it, my darlings. Aloe vera, a true gift from nature, offering health benefits. From soothing burns to boosting immunity, to enhancing your beauty, this plant is a must-have in every home. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, and until next time, Stay healthy, stay happy.